Significantly improve your building's performance, energy efficiency and occupant comfort with the support of our HVAC design team. HVAC systems use the most energy in any commercial building, so making these as green as possible is our priority. Our highly skilled design engineers work closely with our customers through HVAC refurbishment and construction projects, recommending the right equipment for your job, or upgrading and retrofitting old and obsolete HVAC assets. Grosvenor Engineering Group, redefining building outcomes.